When it comes to people who can party, Jamaicans are up there on the list. So it's no surprise parties are in abundance during the summer when we have breaks. But which ones are a real hit and which ones are on the must-attend list? Lifestyle and entertainment publicist Abigail Rowe is here to tell us exactly which ones you should have gone to or you should go to for the rest of the summer. Morning!
Hi.
You look like you just wake because you come from a party last night, but that's all right.
Abigail just wake, you know.
She never
never
just
sleep.
Oh, she not go sleep
No,
yet.
that's not how that
All right,
works.
well, we don't have much time, so let's keep it tight and right. How do people make decisions on where to go?
Well, I think there's like a number of factors, you know, the music, the food. Some people are very interested in going to parties for the food. A lot of people just go for good music. A lot of people just go with their friends, you know, there's nothing else going on, or, you know, they have all this free time. So it's a multiple of factors that people use.
But there are parties that are staples every year. So
Yeah.
the Dream Weekends, the SPFs. How do you choose one?
Well, that's a tough one.
Because enough money.
Yeah. Well, I mean, that also helps the choice. But I think there are certain qualities, as I said before, that people look for that just helps them to choose one. You know, maybe they're going for a different kind of vibe and they go to Dream, you know, there's more excitement and entertainment. Maybe they go to SPF, you know, for the food and the lifestyle and the people, and so it's very different.
Okay. So let's talk about it. SPF gone, right?
Yeah.
How was that?
It was good. It
Come, if you use this. Was it hot or close to hot?
was hot.
What me for
Close
second?
to
Me,
hot.
me never go. So
Well,
me
you
no
say
know.
it's hot, so
Oh, all right.
we can agree.
Dream
on-
weekend.
Your hair wasn't so hot.
Then you say close to hot.
Close to hot.
Dream weekend. My sister said it
No,
hot.
It was too hot.
My
hot.
sister said they
People
white
needed
like
to
yours.
cool down in the water. It was too hot.
Fully loaded.
Fully hot. It was close
Me
to
never
hot.
hear nothing about
I
it,
mean,
so I'll
it
say
was,
this one.
close to hot.
Spice's birthday bash. Yeah, Mrs. Spice come over
So
with a
hot that
Jamaican
they had to
flag
get
on her
AC
ear and them
units
something.
to cool everybody down.
Yeah, and of course we have some shots from Dream. We said.
Dream?
Let's take a look
You
now.
sure the right shut up.
But then better. Whoa. Yeah, beer blonde there, Jamaica.
Beer,
And neon.
That's the colour for the summer.
Oh, look at
Ramesh.
Ramesh. Rain a fall and then
there's
there's
a
a...
people though.
My God, I mean, I think someone could have stand up in that. Boy. Oh my
This
gosh.
was- This was during
Woo.
the Emancipation Weekend.
Right.
Which other party you think was noteworthy that we didn't call on the list?
Well, truthfully, I think that those two really took the top spot. So much so that it might have overshadowed the others.
Everybody
in
else just kind of
just because of the entertainment value and all the residuals from there. But those three really took the top spot for the summer.
Anywhere else that we should go before the summer's out?
Well, I mean, there are a couple parties happening in Kingston. You know, there's the Straight Vibes, there's the Chromatic Live. So parties like those.
Yeah, small parties. The big
Right,
ones
in the
them done.
city, yeah.
All right, guys, lifestyle and entertainment publicist Abigail Rowe. She told us where to be and she told us where you should have been. But now we're going to take a look at a little piece of a dance that maybe you can learn to stun people up.
And party responsibly.
Yes. Don't drink and drive.